Software Spring. Presents. How to use Scan in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the Scan function to calculate the running total of sales revenue. Okay, let's get started with an intro to the Scan function. Scan scans an array and returns intermediate values. Scan can be used for such tasks as calculating the running total and calculating the running count. Alright, here is the syntax of the Scan function. Let's look at an example. Initial value is assigned to the current value of lambda. It then applies this value to the first value of the array. Array or range is the data source to scan. Lambda is the custom function with two name arguments and a formula expression. Current value is equal to the initial value only for the first scan. During subsequent scans, current value is equal to the previous intermediate value. Array value is equal to a value in the array. This is the formula expression for calculating the running total. Moving forward, here is an objective of using the Scan function to calculate daily running total of grocery sales revenue. Okay, we are all set to type the Scan function formula. First, type the equal to symbol, S, C, and select Scan. For initial value, type 0, and type comma. For array or range, select this range, and type comma. Note that I have selected an extra cell, because I want to type the sales amount in this cell later. Type L, A, and select lambda. Type these name arguments and formula expression, and type 2 closing parenthesis. The final formula is press enter. OK, Scan has returned the running total. Key points. In the first scan of the array, current value equals initial value. That is, current value is equal to initial value is equal to 0. Formula expression is current value plus array value is equal to 0 plus 43,842. Lambda returns 43,842. In subsequent scans, current value is equal to previous value returned by lambda. Let's consider the second scan. In second scan, current value is equal to 43,842. Formula expression is current value plus array value is equal to 43,842 plus 39,721. Lambda returns 83,563. Now, let me add new data here. There you go. Scan has automatically updated the running total. Quick review. Scan scans an array and returns intermediate values. Scan assists in calculating running total, running count, and the like. Scan function formula is lambda is a key argument of Scan and applies to each value of array. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.